Definition of plant-based diets. Understanding plant-based eating. Define what constitutes a plant-based diet, emphasizing the variety of foods included, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Discuss the spectrum of plant-based eating, from vegetarian to vegan and flexitarian approaches. Scientific definitions cite studies and expert opinions to clarify the terminology used in the context of plant-based diets, including distinctions between terms like plant-based, vegan, and vegetarian. Historical context. Ancient practices explore the historical roots of plant-based diets across various cultures, highlighting examples from ancient civilizations that relied heavily on plant foods. Modern evolution. Discuss how dietary preferences have evolved, particularly in response to health, environmental, and ethical considerations. Include a timeline of key events that have shaped contemporary plant-based movements. Importance of plant-based diets. Health implications. Present statistics on health benefits linked to plant-based eating, such as reduced risk of chronic diseases, heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers, and improved overall well-being. Reference major studies and guidelines from health organizations. Environmental impact. Discuss the environmental benefits of adopting a plant-based diet, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions, lower water usage, and less land required for food production. Provide data on the ecological footprint of animal agriculture versus plant farming. Cultural relevance. Global practices highlight how different cultures incorporate plant-based eating into their diets. Include examples of traditional dishes from various regions that emphasize plant-based ingredients. Social movements. Discuss how social movements, such as sustainability and animal rights, have influenced dietary trends and practices globally. Share stories of individuals and groups advocating for plant-based lifestyles. Engagement activities. Personal reflection. Encourage viewers to reflect on their current eating habits and consider their motivations for exploring plant-based diets. Prompt them to write down their thoughts and questions. Community connection. Suggest viewers connect with local plant-based groups or online communities to share experiences and gather support. Nutritional benefits. Essential nutrients. Detail the key nutrients found in plant-based diets, including fiber, vitamins C, E, K, minerals, iron, calcium, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Discuss the importance of each nutrient for overall health. Comparative analysis. Provide a comparative analysis of nutrient density between plant-based foods and animal products, highlighting how certain plant foods, e.g., lentils, quinoa, can provide comparable or superior nutrition. Chronic disease prevention. Heart health. Discuss research linking plant-based diets to lower cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart disease. Include testimonials from individuals who have improved their heart health through dietary changes. Diabetes management. Present evidence showing how plant-based diets can help manage and prevent type 2 diabetes. Discuss the role of whole foods and their impact on insulin sensitivity. Weight management. Weight loss evidence. Analyze studies demonstrating the effectiveness of plant-based diets in promoting weight loss. Discuss the satiety benefits of high-fiber foods and how they can help regulate appetite. Sustainable lifestyle changes. Emphasize that plant-based eating is not just a diet, but a sustainable lifestyle choice that can lead to long-term weight management. Mental health benefits. Psychological well-being. Explore research on the mental health benefits of plant-based diets, including improvements in mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Highlight the connection between diet, gut health, and mental wellness. Mindful eating. Discuss how adopting a plant-based diet can encourage mindful eating practices, fostering a deeper connection to food and improved mental health. Engagement activities. Cooking challenge. Encourage viewers to participate in a cooking challenge, trying new plant-based recipes, and sharing their experiences online. Nutritional workshop. Suggest hosting a workshop or seminar focused on plant-based nutrition, where participants can learn about meal planning and nutrient balance. Carbon footprint emissions analysis. Present data comparing the carbon footprint of various diets, highlighting the significant reductions associated with plant-based eating. Discuss the greenhouse gases emitted from livestock versus plant farming. Life cycle assessment explained the concept of life cycle assessments in food production, showing how plant-based foods generally require less energy, land, and water than animal products. Resource utilization water usage discussed the substantial water requirements for animal agriculture and compare it to the water needed for plant farming. Include statistics on water scarcity and how plant-based diets can contribute to conservation efforts. Land use examine land utilization for animal versus plant agriculture, emphasizing the potential for rewilding and restoring ecosystems by shifting towards plant-based diets. Biodiversity preservation ecosystem health. Discuss how animal agriculture contributes to habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. Contrast this with the positive impact of plant-based farming practices that promote biodiversity. Sustainable practices highlight sustainable agricultural practices that align with plant-based diets, such as crop rotation, permaculture, and agroecology, which support biodiversity. Waste reduction food waste analyze how plant-based diets can help reduce food waste, emphasizing the importance of consuming whole foods and reducing reliance on processed foods. Composting and recycling discuss strategies for composting plant-based food scraps and the benefits of recycling in sustainable food systems. Engagement activities community cleanup encourage viewers to participate in local environmental cleanup events, focusing on reducing waste and promoting sustainable practices. Sustainability pledge create a challenge for viewers to commit to reducing their meat consumption or participating in Meatless Mondays as a starting point for more sustainable eating habits. Cooking techniques basic cooking skills introduce fundamental cooking skills necessary for plant-based cooking, including chopping, sautéing, steaming, and roasting. Include video demonstrations or step-by-step guides. Ingredient exploration highlight various plant-based ingredients, legumes, grains, vegetables, fruits, and discuss their uses, flavors, and preparation methods. Include tips on how to incorporate them into meals. Meal planning strategies weekly meal prep provide a comprehensive guide on how to meal prep for a week, including shopping lists, storage tips, and easy-to-follow recipes. Discuss the benefits of meal planning for time management and budget control. Batch cooking explain the concept of batch cooking and how it can simplify weeknight meals. Include examples of dishes that freeze well and can be reheated. Recipe development creating balanced meals discuss the importance of balancing meals with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins. Provide sample meal combinations that demonstrate how to create satisfying and nutritious plant-based dishes. Culinary creativity encourage viewers to experiment with flavors, spices, and textures in their cooking. Share creative recipe ideas that showcase plant-based ingredients in unexpected ways. Food storage and safety proper storage techniques teach viewers about proper food storage techniques to maximize freshness and minimize waste. Discuss how to store various fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Food safety tips provide essential food safety tips for plant-based cooking, including safe handling of produce and proper cooking temperatures for legumes and grains. Engagement activities cook-along sessions host live cook-along sessions where viewers can prepare a plant-based meal together, sharing tips and experiences in real time. Recipe exchange. Create a platform for viewers to share their favorite plant-based recipes and cooking tips with each other, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. Cost comparisons grocery budgeting provide a detailed analysis of the costs associated with plant-based diets versus omnivorous diets. Discuss the initial perceived costs of plant-based eating and long-term savings on healthcare and grocery bills. Affordable plant-based options highlight budget-friendly plant-based staples, e.g. beans, rice, seasonal vegetables, and how to incorporate them into meals without breaking the bank. Economic benefits healthcare savings present research demonstrating the long-term healthcare savings associated with plant-based diets, including reduced incidence of chronic diseases that require expensive medical treatments. Local economic impact. Discuss how plant-based eating can support local economies, including farmers' markets and local agriculture. Share stories of communities that have benefited economically from supporting plant-based initiatives. Job creation in the plant-based sector. Emerging job markets. Explore the growing job market in plant-based industries, including food production, culinary arts, nutrition, and sustainability consulting. Highlight successful businesses and startups in the plant-based sector. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Encourage viewers to consider entrepreneurial ventures in plant-based food production, catering, or meal delivery services. Provide resources for starting a plant-based business. Challenges and solutions. Access to plant-based foods. Discuss the challenges some communities face in accessing affordable plant-based foods, particularly in food deserts. Highlight initiatives and solutions aimed at improving food accessibility. Education and awareness. Address the need for education on plant-based eating to dispel myths and encourage more people to consider this lifestyle. Discuss programs that provide resources and information to promote plant-based diets. Engagement activities. Community events. Encourage viewers to participate in local events focused on plant-based living, such as potlucks, workshops, or educational seminars. Budgeting challenge. Create a budgeting challenge for viewers to plan a week of meals on a limited budget, encouraging creativity and resourcefulness in their plant-based cooking. Animal welfare. Ethical considerations. Discuss the ethical implications of animal agriculture and the impact of dietary choices on animal welfare. Present statistics on factory farming and its effects on animals. Alternatives to animal products. Highlight plant-based alternatives to traditional animal products and their potential to reduce animal suffering. Include examples of innovative plant-based products that mimic meat and dairy. Cultural perspectives. Diverse viewpoints. Explore how different cultures view plant-based eating and the ethical considerations surrounding food choices. Discuss traditional diets that emphasize plant foods and their cultural significance. Respect for traditions. Address how individuals can honor cultural traditions while incorporating plant-based principles, offering suggestions for adapting traditional recipes. Food justice. Equity in food systems. Discuss the concept of food justice and the importance of equitable access to nutritious plant-based foods for all communities. Highlight initiatives working towards food equity. Advocacy for change. Encourage viewers to become advocates for food justice by supporting local organizations and participating in community efforts to improve food access. Global perspectives. Impact on global communities. Analyze how global dietary trends affect developing countries, including the implications of shifting toward more plant-based diets. Discuss the potential benefits for food security and sustainable agriculture. Cultural exchange. Encourage viewers to explore global plant-based cuisines, fostering a sense of connection and understanding through food. Engagement activities. Discussion forums. Create discussion forums where viewers can share their thoughts on ethical considerations in food choices and engage in respectful dialogue. Volunteer opportunities. Encourage viewers to volunteer with local organizations focused on animal welfare, food justice, or environmental sustainability. Individual experiences. Diverse stories. Share personal testimonials from individuals who have successfully transitioned to plant-based diets. Highlight their motivations, challenges, and triumphs. Before and after. Include before and after stories that detail the health transformations and lifestyle changes individuals experienced through plant-based eating. Community impact. Local heroes. Spotlight community members who have made significant impacts through their commitment to plant-based living, such as local chefs, activists, or educators. Collective action. Discuss how collective efforts within communities can amplify the benefits of plant-based diets, showcasing examples of community gardens, co-ops, and plant-based initiatives. Resource sharing. Tips and tricks. Provide viewers with practical tips from those who have successfully adopted plant-based diets. Encourage sharing of resources, such as books, websites, and local groups. Mentorship opportunities. Encourage viewers to seek mentorship from individuals within the plant-based community or to become mentors themselves for those just starting their journey. Engagement activities, storytelling workshops, organize storytelling workshops where individuals can share their plant-based journeys and inspire others through their experiences. Social media campaigns, create a social media campaign encouraging individuals to share their plant-based success stories, fostering community and support. Cookbooks and online resources, recommended reading, compile a list of essential cookbooks that focus on plant-based cooking, highlighting different cuisines and dietary preferences. Include brief descriptions of each book and its unique offerings. Online platforms, highlight reputable websites, blogs, and social media accounts that provide valuable resources, recipes, and information about plant-based eating. Cooking classes and workshops, local opportunities provide information on local cooking classes, workshops, or community events focused on plant-based cooking. Include details on how to find and participate in these activities. Virtual learning, list online platforms offering virtual cooking classes and courses for those unable to attend in-person events. Support groups, finding community, encourage viewers to seek out local or online support groups focused on plant-based living. Share tips on how to connect with others who share similar goals and interests. Peer support, discuss the benefits of having a support network, whether through social media groups, forums, or local meetups, for sharing experiences and challenges. Healthcare professional guidance, consulting professionals, emphasize the importance of consulting healthcare professionals, such as registered dietitians or nutritionists, for personalized guidance when transitioning to a plant-based diet. Health check-ins, encourage viewers to regularly check in with their healthcare providers to monitor their health and adjust their diets as needed. Engagement activities, resource sharing, create a platform for viewers to share their favorite plant-based resources, including websites, cookbooks, and local events, fostering a collaborative community of learners. Challenge to try new foods, encourage viewers to try a new plant-based ingredient or recipe each week, documenting their experiences and sharing them with the community. Celebrating progress, acknowledging change, emphasize the importance of celebrating small victories and progress toward adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Share stories of individuals who have successfully made the transition and continue to inspire others. Setting realistic goals, encourage viewers to set achievable goals for themselves and their plant-based journey, understanding that progress is a personal and unique experience. Building a supportive community, engaging with others, highlight the importance of building relationships with like-minded individuals who can provide encouragement, support, and inspiration throughout the plant-based journey. Sharing experiences, encourage viewers to share their experiences with friends and family, creating a ripple effect that can inspire others to explore plant-based diets. Long-term commitment, sustainable changes, discuss the significance of making sustainable changes that can be maintained long-term, rather than focusing on short-term diets or trends. Encourage viewers to find joy and satisfaction in their plant-based choices. Continuous learning, emphasize the importance of ongoing education and exploration within the plant-based realm, including trying new recipes, learning about new ingredients, and staying informed about plant-based nutrition. Call to action, join the movement, invite viewers to actively participate in the plant-based movement, whether by sharing their stories, advocating for change, or simply making more conscious food choices. Get involved, encourage viewers to get involved in local initiatives focused on promoting plant-based eating, such as community gardens, food justice organizations, and educational workshops. Final reflections, personal growth, reflect on the personal growth that comes from embracing a plant-based lifestyle, including the physical, emotional, and environmental benefits experienced along the journey. Community impact, highlight the potential for collective impact as more individuals embrace plant-based diets, contributing to healthier individuals, communities, and a more sustainable planet.